I am welcoming you again. Now this is a tutorial video regarding how to pay the fees. Okay, in the last video we saw how to fill up the form and submit the form. As soon as you will submit the form by making a 100 piece payment, you will get a PDF. The PDF of the admission form will be generated. You must have downloaded that. Okay, so after that we will verify your form, and in some time you will receive a SMS regarding to make the payment of the fees. This is the third and the last step of your admission. Once you will pay the fees, your admission process will be completed, right? So how to go about it? Again, you have to visit our college website www.dalmiaalliancecollege.ac.in. Alright, as soon as you will visit our web page, as I had shown you last time, you will see this page, right? So here again you have to go to junior college. You will see this page, okay? Like in the last video we saw, you have to click on admission FIJC, okay? So here you have to click on the payment link here. As soon as you will click here, you will be directed to this payment portal or payment gateway page. Okay, so here see the institution has been already selected, that is Prahalad Dalmia Alliance College of Commerce, right? Then you have to select a branch as you are taking admission in junior. So this is the second branch you have to select. Okay, don't select the first branch, otherwise your payment page will not appear. Okay, so click on this second branch, that is Prahalad Dalmia Alliance College, JR, Mumbai. The registration number. So that is why in the last video we had highlighted, we had kept a pop-up message that please fill the student's mobile number very carefully and fill the active mobile number, because all these SMSs and your fees will be paid through this mobile number only, right? So for example, my registered mobile number is 79771430026. This is the mobile number which I had filled in my form as my number, that is student's number. Okay, so this is very important. Don't fill any abrupt or anonymous number, because you are going to receive SMS for the submission of the form, as well as you are going to receive the payment message as well. Okay, so now go for search. See, my name is appearing, Dipali Parag Mehta. Here you are seeing SYJC, but instead of that you will see FIJC, because now we are going to take admission in FIJC. Right now we have not started the payment portal, that is why I have taken an example of SYJC, because payment process for the both are similar. Okay, all the information are there, whichever I have filled. Fees is there. See, right now it's showing I have taken IT, but in FIJC the IT merit list will be out after once you take the admission. So for that you have to first take the admission in our college by paying the basic fees. Okay, so that what is the basic fees is that everything we have put up in the notice. What will be your basic fees? Okay, so according to that you have to make the payment, and then later on when the IT list will come out, then IT fees you have to pay. Continue and pay. See, payment summary has come, right? So proceed. Like last time, how you pay 100 rupees, same way you have to select your debit card, then RuPay card or whatever your card is, then click on pay now. So this page will appear like I had shown you in the last video as well. So enter your card number, name as per the card number, expiry date, CVV number, and click on pay now. Then you will get a OTP and you have to make your fees payment. Once you will make your fees payment, then PDF of your receipt will generate. So don't forget to download that. Your PDF copy of form and your PDF copy of receipt is very important. These two documents are very important as a proof that you have taken admission in our college. Okay, and that will be asked for submission as and when we will demand for, along with all other documents that you have to submit. I hope you must have understood each and every step of your admission. Complete your process very carefully. If you have any doubt, you can very well contact us on Telegram group link, which we have posted in a video as well as in the notices also. Thank you so much. Take a very good care of yourself and your family.